Why finance a roof replacement for your Williamstown, New Jersey home? For many families, there are many benefits to a personal loan from Ameritech Services for a new roof. Our financing partners offer low rates on short-term loans for your roof replacement. You can often get 0% interest on a 1 or 2 year loan, so you pay no interest when you pay it off in time. Low rates also mean a low and budget-friendly monthly payment. Financing your roof also enables you to get a new roof faster. Some families are saving up money for a roof. This process can take some time. Unfortunately, the North Jersey weather can brew up storms quickly, which can cause damage to a vulnerable roof. Rather than deal with damages, complete your Gloucester County roofing project sooner rather than later. Finally, financing your roof replacement can enable you to get better materials for your roof. Many companies offer cheap roofs made of cheap materials that won't last. We use more serious hardware with CertainTeed. Call Ameritech Services at 856-418-1029. We can set up an in-person consultation with you and learn more about what you need.